Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, do you know work as a transcriber or caption generator on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on, or working as a freelancer on other platforms that are specific in that service like Rev.com, Subtitle, Transcribe, and etc., and to earn hundreds and thousands of dollars per month? Thus, I am here in this video to provide you with 3 amazing free tools to transcribe any audio content in any lecture, song, movie clip into a written form. Or in other words, you can convert any speech into text. So let's begin with the first tool for today, which is Otter.ai. Otter.ai, this amazing website. You can here transcribe any audio file as well as any video file. You can use this website for free. So if we have a look at the pricing plans on that amazing website, you will find here this basic plan, free forever, without any cost on you. Okay, as you see here, and the best thing here on Otter.ai, it gives you 600 minutes as a quota to transcribe your audio files, your video clips, and so on. Okay. So let's sign up in this amazing website. Get started from here. Okay. And today I am using a temporary email like that. Okay. Copy back to our platform. Create account. Password. Next. Okay. Raymond, for example. Verify your email address. Back to our inbox like that. Refresh. Okay. Confirm. And now we are in Otter.ai. Okay. How do you plan to use Otter? Transcribe files. Okay, next. It's so easy so far. Okay, and now we are on the dashboard of your account on Otter.ai for free. Okay, and now you can browse your file and upload your file, as I said before, an audio file or a video file. Okay, because here in Otter.ai, in the basic plan, you have 600 minutes. Okay, so let's close this window. Okay, and then in this dashboard, as you see here you will find your conversions. Okay, and here you can import your files that you want to transcribe. So let's import this one. Import an audio file or your video clip. Browse file, and today I'm using a short video clip of Independence Day movie. Okay, this motivational speech of American president. It's uploading now. Okay, just a few seconds. By the way, it is an amazing pep talk. And now it's transcribing. As here, 1 minute left. And of course, in Otter.ai, you can use unlimited temporary emails as you want, as in my case today. Perfect. Go transcript. As you see here, your audio file in your video clip turned into a text. As you see here, measure, say good morning, and you will find here this amazing pep talk. Okay, as here, and of course it is still processing, as you see here. So you can turn it on.
Words should have new meaning for all of us today. We can't be consumed by our petty differences anymore.
Is that an accurate transcription?
Perhaps this is fate that today is the 4th of July, American holiday. But as the day when the world declared in one voice, we will not go quietly into the night.
As you see. Okay, so now how to export that transcription result, okay, or this text. Simply go to this one with 3 dots. Okay, and you'll find this option, export. As you see, there are some options. You can download this text in text form, text file, okay, or as PDF, or as SRT file, or as subtitle form, and it needs you to be a premium user, okay. So we can just enough this one, text, or you can clipboard copy, so text, okay, export. That's it. So now you have transcribed this audio file, this short video clip, into a text. You can turn this speech into an amazing text. Perfect. So let's move on to the next tool, which is by using Facebook in a creator studio. Business facebook.com/creator studio, okay. And here, to use this tool, you have to have a business page, okay. So now, how to use Facebook to transcribe your video files. Just to go to this one, create new, and upload video, okay. Our video today, Independence Day. Perfect. Just you have got to select your business page, like this one, okay. It's uploading now, and here you can select your language spoken in that video: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, Chinese, and so on, okay. It's uploading, okay, completed. Just add here title haphazard, okay. Click next. Then in this captions, click over that. Generating your subtitle file, SRT file, that you can use to translate this video. And of course, you can upload this file to translate your videos on YouTube, okay, if you have a YouTube channel. Okay, accuracy rating, it's a high transcription, okay. Review it, or you can edit this transcription, okay, or this translation, okay. Just download it. Perfect. And now we have got SRT file of that short video. And now we have got two questions: how to convert this SRT file into a text file, okay. And the second question is about how to translate your video and how to put the subtitles on that video clip. They are so easy. The first one, as for converting SRT file into a text file, just to go to this one, subscribe.com, okay, as here, and they will drop this link below in the description box. And here, simply just select your SRT file, okay, and convert to text file, okay. And as for the second question, how to add this subtitle form into your video clip, okay, to be translated, simply go to subscribe.com as well, okay, and go all the way to the bottom, okay, to this one, free tools, and go to this one, subtitle tools. And here you will find this one that converts the SRT file to a text file. And now we can go to this one, hard code subtitles. Here you can merge your video clip, okay, with your subtitle file, okay. So click over that, hard code subtitles, and here you can upload here your video file, your raw video file without subtitles, without transcription, without translation, your subtitle files that we have downloaded from Facebook, okay. But here there is one thing you have to know: you have to make both files with the same name, okay. So back to our video clip, okay, here, and we can rename it simply 22, okay, and our SRT file with the same name, 22. Perfect. Back to our tool, select file, okay, and here select the SRT file simply, and now we can merge both files, hardcode subtitles, rendering your video, okay. As here, your video is downloaded. Let's open it. and here you will find your video with caption. Okay,
You will be launching the largest aerial battle in the history of mankind. Mankind, huh? Words should have new meaning for all of us today.
as you see here, it's an accurate translation and amazing caption of that video clip. Okay, and it's for free by using just Facebook and subscribe.com. And now there is another question. If we want to translate this video into another language, so how to do that? It's so easy. Just to go to this website, subtitletranslator.com. subtitletranslator.com. Here you can translate this SRT files, okay, the subtitle file that we have downloaded from Facebook, okay, into any language as you want, okay. So it's so easy. Just to go to this one, new multiple language translator, and all you have to do is just upload your SRT file. This one, okay. And now you have to select your languages. Like the first one, Arabic. The second one we can see Bulgarian. The third for Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, as you want, Chinese, and so on and so forth, and therefore translate. Okay, and these SRT files, this new SRT files with new languages will be downloaded in a zip file. Okay. Okay, the third tool today is subtitle.com. Subtitle.com, it's like as Facebook in its role to transcribe your video clips. Okay, so easy, just you can sign up here for free. So here you have known 3 amazing tools: Auto.ai, Facebook tool, and subtitle.com. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.